It's Feet Kills.
Original, puffin' on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the liquor. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga, say she want another nigga. I who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. I move that, where you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar. Cause you are what see me brain. The only special one for me.
What's up? PrettyBoss here with another video for you guys, and as you can see by the lovely title, we're gonna be trying on some glasses, sis, okay? And when I tell you these ain't no ordinary glasses, baby, I'm gonna let them do the talking. First things first, these glasses are from Voogueme. One more time, Voogueme, okay? When I tell you they did not come to play, baby, they did not come to play. They have quality sunglasses for you. They got glasses, they got whatever you need, baby. Anything up to date, urban, whatever you need, they got it. So, first things first, this is the box. This is the box that they come in. I have not opened them yet, but I'm gonna open them with y'all, okay? So let's see what we got here, honey. Oh, okay. They got cute little nipple. Okay. The little bags they have them in. They actually come in these. That is so cute. Y'all, that is so cute. I feel like somebody. And they also got a ruler in here. Oh Lord, can y'all see? Y'all, this thing is not focusing the way I need you to focus, baby. Anyway, it's a ruler. I don't know what I do with that, but oh well. Okay, we got a card here. The little $15 coupon, which I will be using. Because who don't like a good coupon? So these are all the lovelies, and I have 8 pair. Oh, I also got a 10% savings card too, honey. That is running out, girl. So first one. Okay, so as you can see, honey, they are very much quality, honey. Don't play with them. Ooh. Don't play. Okay, so I actually yeah, I love these. Oh, my lashes stuck, but oh well. Oh, this is cute. It's giving me very much teacher of the year, vice principal, you know. Yeah, you get the point. Vice principal, a counselor, a therapist. Baby, it's giving. Like, I very much need to, you know, be in somebody's classroom. Okay, this is the second pair, and this is in the style Corey. Like, when I tell you, they are constructed so well. Like, they feel like, really, they feel so good, y'all. I ain't even gonna lie, they feel so good. So let's see what's going on with these. Okay, these is giving me the same type of vibe. A little teacher. You know, somebody that's making some money, honey. Somebody that's making some money. Let me get up in here. Don't play with him. Do y'all see him? Okay, these are dope though. These are so dope. They're both giving me the same type of vibes though. A little therapist, a little teacher, something like that. But these are so cute though. These are Corey. The next one, baby. Baby. Do you see her? These purple. They got a little clear. It's like a see. Is it see-through? Yeah. The purple is see-through. So y'all, that is so dope. I just know I'm about to love these. I ain't even gonna play with you. We ain't even gonna play with them. We ain't even gonna play with them. Okay. Do you see her? Who, me? I'm beautiful. Stop it. Girl, yes ma'am. Okay, next one we got, which I think is my favorite. Miss Christine, honey. Baby, this is Miss Christine. She is very much loud. And she know how to make an entrance, baby. Do you see her? Do you see her? This is so dope. Y'all, I love these. Ah! I love them. Stop playing with Christine, baby. Don't play with Christine. Let's put her on, though. Okay. Zoom in on her. Zoom in on her, baby. We ain't gonna play. Okay, y'all, I like Christine. I ain't gonna lie. Do y'all see her? I just love, like, she is making an entrance. She is bold, baby. Very much different. You don't see too many people with these type of glasses, though. And these are so dope. I like these. I think these are my favorite because they're so different and I love different. And they feel so good. And on top of that, being that I got lashes on, my lashes aren't hitting the glass like the others that I tried. But this is Christine. I love it. I am here for it. Voogueme, I am here for it. Okay, next one. We got Miss Tammy. These names are so crazy. That's so funny. This is Tammy. These are Tammy. Got the little red with the little black. And I think it's like polka dots. Yeah, it's polka dots. Little black dots all over. So, like I said, all of these glasses are constructed so good. Like, they feel like quality sunglasses. So, I love these two, I think. Oh yeah. This give me the vibe of we going to the beach. You put on your nice little sun hat. And I thought I had one down here. I thought I had one close. I don't. But put your nice little sun hat on, baby. And she ready. She ready. I love that. The red at the top and the black on the bottom. You know, just going to the beach today. Just going to the beach today. I love. And it has the polka dots all over. Are these polka dots? I don't know. It looks like it. I don't know. And next up we have Lowlaid. I think that's how it's pronounced. I don't know. But It's on the screen, baby. So you, however you say it, it's how you say it. So, bam. What you talking about? What are we saying here? What are we doing? You was not saying nothing, honey. I promise you ain't saying nothing. You ain't saying nothing. What happened? What happened? Girl. Yeah. You ain't saying nothing. This give me beach vibes too. I ain't gonna lie. I like that. It kind of looks like wood green. What sunglasses you got? They got wood green on. Which one, even if they don't have wood grain, what you got in your sunglass collection that look like this? Tell me. I'll wait. And this ain't even wood grain, but it look like it. It's cute. Okay, so that was Lowlaid. I don't know. I kind of like it all of these, girl. Like, I'm trying to think of outfits because I'm about to throw these on, baby. I am ready to go. All right, next up, we got Miss Miriam. We got Miriam. Let me back up so this thing can focus. We got Miriam. Y'all ain't ready. Baby, you ain't ready. You ain't ready. Baby, and they got the cheetah print, leopard print on the stem. You ain't saying nothing. You ain't saying nothing. This thing keep focusing on my eyes. You try to cover it up, but you ain't saying nothing. You ain't saying nothing, baby. It's just the uniqueness for me, honey. And it's so crazy because they have that on one of their cards. Is it on the bag? Born to be unique, baby. These are very much different. I live for this. I live for this. This is so different. Got their own little to it, you know, own little touch, their own little uniqueness. But I'm in love. Okay, last but certainly not least, baby, we got Miss Jocelyn. Honey, as all of the other ones, she is constructed to the T, white and black, baby. This is so different though. I never seen something like this. I don't think. It kind of gives you like the cartoonish, that's like animated type of look. That's what it gives me. But these are Jocelyn. This is Jocelyn, honey. She's very much bold and different. It gives me so much of the, I don't even know. I like this though. Ooh. Get up on them. Get up on them. Do you like or no? Don't play with her. These are dope. You ain't gonna tell me nothing. It gives me very much different. I was about to say like 80s. You know, that vibe. You can throw these on with an 80s look, but I don't even know. It kind of gives classy too, a little bougie. I don't know, but I like her, girl. But anyway, you will be able to find all of these glasses that I have shown. You will be able to find all of these in the description box. So make sure you click it. I will have all of the details for every last one of them and the link to get them in the description box. So make sure you click, okay? And also you will, if you use my code BOSS15, you will get 15% off. But you have to use that code BOSS15, 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 BOSS15 to get a discount, 15% off of these glasses that I have shown. I hope you all enjoyed this video. It's very much different, and honestly, I love them. I'm sorry. I love them. Y'all about to see me everywhere with these glasses on, baby. I don't even mean no harm, but this is my favorite, and sis is about to be out here in the streets looking real voguish, okay? Like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you share this video with everybody and anybody who is somebody. Make sure y'all share this with a friend tell a friend and tell their friend to tell their friend. I have nothing bad to say, honestly. Like, all of the glasses are so dope, and they are so different in their own little ways.